Welcome back to InnoCars Sight, your go-to channel for the latest updates on legendary cars, upcoming models, and exclusive automotive insights. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. According to official records, this model became a defining symbol of American performance and style, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. With its aggressive styling, powerful V8 engines, and a legendary Hollywood appearance, the 1977 Firebird Trans Am remains one of the most recognizable muscle cars in history. In this video, we'll explore the history, performance, design, and legacy of this automotive masterpiece. The Pontiac Firebird was first introduced in 1967 as Pontiac's answer to the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. Designed as a stylish and powerful pony car, it quickly gained popularity among performance car enthusiasts. However, it was in 1969 that Pontiac introduced the Trans Am package, taking the Firebird to the next level in terms of speed, handling, and aggressive styling. By 1977, the Firebird Trans Am had reached new heights of popularity. Official sales reports confirmed that this was one of the best-selling Trans Am models of its time, thanks to its striking looks, improved performance, and cultural impact. The second-generation Firebird, which ran from 1970 to 1981, was known for its sleek body lines and aerodynamic design, and the 1977 model year introduced some of the most significant updates. According to official specifications from Pontiac, the 1977 Firebird Trans Am came with several powerful engine options, each delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Pontiac 400 V8 6.6L. This engine was the most powerful option available, producing 200 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque. It featured a 4-barrel carburetor and a dual exhaust system, giving it a signature deep, rumbling sound. Oldsmobile 403 V8 6.6L available in California and high-altitude regions. This engine delivered 185 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque. Though slightly less powerful than the Pontiac 400, it still provided strong acceleration and highway cruising capabilities. Pontiac 455 V8 Special Edition, while officially discontinued in 1976, some leftover 455 engines made their way into early 1977 models. This engine produced up to 200-plus horsepower, making it a rare and valuable find today. Transmission options included a 4-speed manual for enthusiasts who wanted full control over their gear shifts, as well as a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission for those who preferred a smoother driving experience. A defining feature of the 1977 Firebird Trans Am was its shaker hood scoop, which was mounted directly onto the engine. This functional scoop moved with the engine's vibrations, providing better airflow and an aggressive visual effect. According to Pontiac's official design updates, the 1977 Firebird Trans Am introduced a more modern and aggressive front-end design. One of the biggest styling changes was the switch from round headlights to 4 rectangular headlights, giving the car a sharper and more refined appearance. The honeycomb grille, large front bumper, and sculpted hood added to the car's muscular stance. Perhaps the most iconic design feature of the 1977 Trans Am was the Screaming Chicken hood decal. This massive Firebird graphic, originally introduced in 1973, became a signature element of the Trans Am lineup. The Black and Gold Special Edition, made famous by Smokey and the Bandit, featured a striking gold Firebird decal on the hood, gold pinstriping, and gold alloy wheels. The flared wheel arches, side air vents, and a rear spoiler further enhanced the Trans Am's aggressive styling, making it one of the most visually striking muscle cars of the 1970s. Inside the 1977 Firebird Trans Am, the focus was on a driver-centric design. According to official specifications, the dashboard was equipped with rally-style gauges, providing clear readouts of speed, fuel level, oil pressure, and more. The Formula steering wheel featured a 3-spoke design, giving drivers a firm grip and precise control. Seating options included high-back bucket seats, upholstered in vinyl or optional cloth, providing excellent support during spirited driving. Additional comfort features included. Pontiac ensured that the 1977 Trans Am was not just a high-performance machine, but also a comfortable ride for daily driving and long road trips. According to historical records, one of the biggest reasons for the 1977 Firebird Trans Am's massive popularity was its starring role in the Hollywood blockbuster Smokey and the Bandit. Released in 1977, the film featured Burt Reynolds behind the wheel of a black and gold special edition Trans Am, using it as a high-speed getaway car. Following the film's success, sales of the 1977 Trans Am skyrocketed, making it one of Pontiac's best-selling models that year. Even today, the black and gold special edition remains one of the most collectible muscle cars, with pristine models commanding high prices at auctions. The legacy of the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. According to official production data, the 1977 Trans Am played a crucial role in keeping the muscle car spirit alive during a time when emissions regulations were restricting high-performance vehicles. Pontiac managed to balance power, style, and handling, making the Trans Am one of the last great muscle cars of the 1970s. Although production of the Pontiac Firebird and Trans Am ended in 2002, and Pontiac as a brand was discontinued in 2010, the 1977 model remains one of the most celebrated American cars ever built. Collectors and enthusiasts continue to restore and preserve these classic machines, with values steadily rising. Well-maintained 1977 Trans Ams, especially the black and gold special edition, have been known to sell for six-figure prices at auctions. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era, a Hollywood legend, and a dream machine for car enthusiasts. From its powerful V8 engines and aggressive styling to its movie fame and lasting legacy, this car continues to inspire generations of muscle car fans. If you're a fan of classic muscle cars and automotive history, make sure to subscribe to InnoCars Sight for more exclusive updates. Hit the like button and let us know in the comments, if given the chance, would you drive a 1977 Firebird Trans Am? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content on InnoCars Sight.